Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Lily. She lived in a small town with her parents and her pet cat, Whiskers. Lily was a shy and quiet girl who loved to spend her time in her backyard, surrounded by nature. One sunny day, while Lily was playing outside, she stumbled upon a tiny injured bird. It had fallen from its nest and couldn't fly. Lily's heart melted with compassion, and she knew she had to help the little bird. She gently picked up the bird and carried it inside her house. Lily's parents were surprised to see her with the injured bird but admired her kindness. They helped Lily create a cozy nest for the bird and gave it some water and food. Lily named the bird Sunny because its feathers were as bright as the sun. She spent hours each day taking care of Sunny, feeding it and keeping it warm. Slowly but surely, Sunny started to get better. As Sunny grew stronger, Lily realized that it was time to let it go back into the wild. She knew that birds belonged in the sky, flying freely. With a heavy heart, Lily opened the window and watched as Sunny spread its wings and flew away. Although Lily missed Sunny, she knew that she had done the right thing. She had helped a little bird in need and had given it a second chance at life. From that day on, Lily felt a deep connection with nature and all its creatures. Lily's love for animals grew stronger, and she started volunteering at the local animal shelter. She would help take care of abandoned cats and dogs, giving them love and attention until they found their forever homes. Years later, Lily became a veterinarian, fulfilling her lifelong dream of helping animals. She opened her own clinic where she could provide medical care to all kinds of pets. Her gentle touch and kind heart made her beloved by both animals and their owners. Lily never forgot the day she found Sunny. She kept a picture of the little bird in her office as a reminder of the power of compassion and the importance of caring for others. And every time she saw that picture, she couldn't help but smile and feel grateful for the simple joys that nature brings.